Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super useful tip that'll make managing your Gmail a whole lot easier. Have you ever archived an email on your phone, then later tried to find it but had no idea where it went? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to see archived emails on the Gmail app, step by step. This guide is updated, simple, and works perfectly on mobile devices. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. This opens up the main menu where you can find all your folders and labels. Next, scroll through that menu until you spot the option called All Mail. Go ahead and tap it. This section is the key. It combines everything from your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and of course, your archived messages. Now that you're inside the All Mail view, just scroll through the list to find the email you're looking for. There's one small detail to notice. Archived emails won't have the inbox label beside them. That's how you can tell which ones were archived. You can open any of these emails at any time, and if you want to move one back into your primary inbox, simply tap the 3 dots at the top right of the email, choose Move to Inbox, and it'll pop right back where it belongs. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly access your archived emails inside the Gmail app. No complicated tricks, no extra steps, just a clean way to keep your messages organized and easy to find whenever you need them. If this helped you out, take a second to like the video and share it with someone who uses Gmail every day. Thanks for watching.